Hello everyone, good morning. How are you all? Yes, I am missing you in the school campus. All my dear lovely students, I am missing you over here. Okay, dear Adya, Arna, Arni, Avishi, Chizen, Daksh, Guni, Harshvardhan, Humaira, Naimesh, Nawal, Naksh, Om, Pranav, Vriddhi, Sakshi, Srasti, Sanidhya, Saraf, Anvesh, Arush, Parveen, Sharnam, Srasti, Satakshi, Siddhi, Soumya, Rasika, Rishit, okay, Vedant, Vihan Chandore, Vedant Solanki, Vihan Chauhan, Vivan Mahajan, C, and Karan, Anjune, Arav, Adya Dudve, Advik, Bhuvi, Prisha, Prachi, Yokshita, Gursakhi. Okay, I am missing you all very much over here. But what we can do? We can't do anything. But it is my request to all my lovely students of the class 2, please watch the videos regularly and do your work there and there only. So you will not get extra burden on your shoulders. If you watch the videos there and there only, then write the work, then complete your notebook there and there only. So you will not get any extra burden. So today we will do some little conversation with Aman because I am missing you over here, and for a long time I didn't meet with you. So yes, dear students, which season started? Yes, rainy season is started now. Yes, and we love rainy season, and in this season I used to make a poem. What was that poem? Yes, rain is falling, chama cham cham. We all are dancing, dhama dham dham. Coffee, pakoda and samosas bite. Rainy season, great delights. Children are making paper boats. Look at the people in raincoat. North, south, east or west. Rainy season is the best. Which season is the best? Rainy season. Yes, once again. Rain is falling, chama cham cham. We all are dancing, dama dum dum. Coffee, pakoda and samosas bite. Rainy season, great delights. Children are making paper boats. Look at the people in raincoat. North, south, east or west. Rainy season is the best. Yes, rainy season is the best season. But keep one thing is in your mind, that do not eat uncovered food in the rainy season. Yes, so this was a little conversation. Now I am going to start the new lesson. Okay, and class 2 chapter number. Which chapter number we are going to start? What is the name of that chapter? The name of the chapter is what? Clothes. The name of the chapter is chapter number 3, Clothes. Okay, the name of the chapter is Clothes. Yes, today we are going to start chapter number 3, Clothes. But before the starting, before the starting. Okay, see dear student, we have done the all question and answers of chapter 2. Okay. but one life skill is remain of the chapter number 2 on which is on page number 16. This one, page number 16, this one. Okay, grow a food and eat it too. See, when you was in class 1, जब आप सारे बच्चे क्लास 1 में थे, तब मैंने आपको सिखाया था कि हाउ वी कैन ग्रो अ प्लांट, हम एक प्लांट को कैसे ग्रो कर सकते हैं. उस समय आप बहुत सारे बच्चे अपने अपने घर से पॉट्स लेकर आए थे, फिर उन पॉट्स में हमने सीड्स डाले. ओके, फिर डेली वी आर वाटरिंग इन दैट प्लांट, हम और उनमें हम पानी डालते थे रोज. देन वी केप्ट दैट पॉट इन आवर विंडोज, और वो सारे के सारे पॉट्स हमने अपने अपनी क्लासेस के विंडोज में अरेंज करके रखे थे. और डेली वी आर कमिंग टू दिस, व्हेन वी वाज कमिंग टू द स्कूल, देन वी आर वाटरिंग इन दैट प्लांट्स. और जब हम रोज आते थे तो हम उन प्लांट्स में पानी डालते थे, एंड वो slowly they were growing up. Okay, so we have to follow the same process, but here you have to grow food and eat it too. यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है, आपको अपने लिए खुद फूड को ग्रो करना है और उसको खाने, और उसको आपको खाना भी है. ओके, सो सबसे पहले आपको क्या लेना है, you have to take green मूंग, आपको जो खड़ा मूंग होता है, ओके, उसको आपको लेना है. और आपको क्या करना है, ड्रेन द वाटर द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग, और उसको आपको पानी में भिगोकर पूरी रात के लिए रखना है. ओके, एंड उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग में you will see that white thread likes things like coming out. और फिर आपको see, I will tell you the process in Hindi only, so you can do with yourself. आपको खुद से करना है. Don't take the help of your mama. Don't take the help of your mama. आपको मम्मी की हेल्प नहीं लेना है. Whatever I am telling you, I am teaching you people only. Okay, I am not teaching your mama, I am not teaching your papa, so don't take the help of your mama and your papa. But whatever work I am giving you, you have to do yourself only, because you are the learner, you are the student, you all are on learning mode. आपको सीखना है, मम्मा को नहीं सीखना है. मम्मा know all the things, papa know all the things. You have to learn all these things. Okay, so सबसे पहले you have to take the one bowl of मूंग. आपको एक कटोरी मूंग को लेना है, देन उसको पानी में पूरा भिगोकर रात भर रखना है. देन उसको आपको कवर्ड करके रखना है, उसको आपको कवर्ड करके रखना है प्लेट से. ओके, देन वेरी नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग टेक आउट ऑल द वाटर ऑफ द मूंग, जितना भी पानी है वो सारा आपको बाहर करना है. और उसके बाद उसको सारे मूंग को आपको एक प्रॉपर कॉटन के क्लोथ्स में आपको उसको लेना है और उसको प्रॉपर टाई करना है, उसको बांध देना है. ओके, देन आफ्टर 6 और 7 आवर्स और आफ्टर 12 आवर्स, ओके, आपको क्या मिलेगा, आपको स्प्राउट्स मिल जाएंगे. आपको उसके मूंग में छोटी छोटी सी वाइट कलर की वो निकलेगी, व्हाट लाइक थ्रेड्स, जो धागा होता है वाइट कलर का, वो उस मूंग से बाहर आएगा. ओके, इट इज़ लुकिंग लाइक वाइट थ्रेड, वो धागे जैसा दिखता है. देन यू हैव टू टेक वन अनियन. ओके, then you cut the onion, chop the onion properly, then take one tomato, chop it very nicely, take little coriander and wash it properly and chop it properly, then mix in this sprouts. और आपको जितना भी जो आपका अंकुरित मूंग है, अंकुरित अनाज है, उस स्प्राउट्स में आपको उसको मिक्स करना है. then add some salt according to your taste. Okay, then you can add the little spice also. आप अपने स्वाद के अनुसार उसमें और भी चीज़ें ऐड कर सकते हैं, और आप उसमें नींबू भी आप उसको नींबू भी डालकर खा सकते हैं। सो आपको ये सारी चीज़ें ऐड करना है प्रॉपरली और उसके बाद आपको इसे खाना है। वाई आई एम टेलिंग यू, बिकॉज इट इज very much given in your book. So do this activity at your home. Don't take the help of your mama and your papa, but when it will prepare, then give to your papa and mama for test. You have to do all this activity with yourself and make the videos and send me that video. I want to see you have done it or not with yourself. Okay, when you will do all these process, then make the videos of this activity and send me on my personal WhatsApp number. So I want to see whatever I am telling you, you are doing or not. Okay, yes, so this all about this activity which you are going to do. Okay, now this is the summary of the chapter 2 food. Okay, now we are going to start chapter 3 clothes. Chapter 3 clothes. Okay, yes. Tell me one thing. सबसे पहले आप मुझे एक बात बताइए, लास्ट ईयर you was coming to school, आप लास्ट ईयर स्कूल आते थे, then first what you was doing, आप सबसे पहले क्या करते थे? Yes, you wake up early in the morning, then brushing your teeth, take a bath. Yes, then your mama will make you wear the clean shirt with matching shorts, tie, belt and very much polished shoes. Yes, so actually what is this? हाँ, जब भी मम्मा आप स्कूल आते थे, मम्मा gets you ready, mama makes you wear your shirt, then matching pant, and girls is wear the skirts, then you all are wear the tie, then belt and the shoes and socks. So what is this? This is, yes, your guessing is very much right, this is your school uniform. Okay, yes, this is your school uniform. And school uniform is what? School uniform is a type of clothes. School uniform is a type of clothes. See, dear students, when you will get ready to coming to school, okay, that time you come to school and see in the classroom, all are worn the same kind of uniform which you are wearing. Okay, every student worn the same kind of uniform which you are wearing that time. Okay, it means what? It means the same clothes, the same uniform. Yes, okay. So today's topic is clothes. Okay, yes. Now usually what attire, what type of clothes your grandmama is wearing at home? Tell me, I am waiting for your answer. First I am asking some questions to you, is that what type of cloth your grandmother is wearing at home, or when she will go out, then what she wear first? Yes, she wears sari. Yes. And why she is wearing sari? Because sari is our national cloth for women. Okay, so sari is the national cloth for women. Okay, yes. Most of the mamas are wearing what at homes? Most of the mamas are wearing after taking bath. Most of the mamas are wearing saris. Some are wearing salwar kurtas. Some are wearing their gowns. Okay, so what are these? These are also the type of clothes. These are also the type of clothes. Okay, when your grandfather take a bath. Okay, in the morning your grandfather take a bath. Then most of the grandfather are going where? See, most of the grandfathers. See, dear students, you are not in the classroom, so I am asking the questions and giving the answers behalf of you. Okay, because you are not in front of me. Yes, so what was my question? My question was that after taking bath, what your grandfather are wearing? Yes, most of the grandfathers are wearing the kurta and the pajama. Most of the grandfather of our areas are wearing kurta and the pajama. Okay, so this is also the type of the cloth. Yes, and when your papa will take the bath and get ready to go office or get ready to go shop, usually what he wears? Usually what he wears? So he wears pant or trouser or shirt. Okay, or they wear the jeans and t-shirt or jeans and shirt. Suppose if your papa is going to office, then definitely he will wear the trouser and the shirt, because this is the formal dress. And if your father is going on the shop, he can wear the casual dresses. Okay, casual dresses means the jeans and the t-shirt. Okay, yes. So when you will come to school, then what you will wear? You all students will wear the uniform. This is also a type of cloth. See, daily I am wearing this sari and this blouse. Why I am wearing this? Because sari is the decent and the national outfit of our country. Okay, and this is my sari, but this is my sari in form of my uniform. When you will come to school, you can see all the teachers are wearing same color, same kind of uniform. All the lady teachers are wearing saris with red blouse, and all the gent staff is wearing pink shirt and coffee colors trousers. So why we are wearing the same kinds of clothes over here? Because we all are your teachers. We all are same. And why you are wearing the uniform? Boys are wearing the shirt and the trousers, and girls are wearing the skirt and shirts. Why is it so? Because all students are same. All are equal to all the teachers. Yes, आप सब हमारे लिए एक समान हो. We are not making any differentiation in you. Okay, that's why we all have same kind of the uniform. So it is also the part of the clothes. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn about the different types of clothes and different types of uniform, and how we are getting the raw material for the clothes, and diversity in the clothes, and caring for clothes. See dear students, this chapter will make you learn all about the clothes. This chapter is make you learn all about the clothes only. See, why we are wearing clothes? This question is raised in your mind. Why we all are wearing clothes? Why? Because we wear clothes to cover our body. We wear clothes to cover our body. हम सब अपनी अपनी बॉडी को कवर करने के लिए क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं. And one more thing, clothes protect us from all the seasons like heat, rain, cold, winter and insect bite also. Okay, clothes protect our body from heat, cold, rain, winter and insect bite. Okay, so why we are wearing clothes? We are wearing clothes to cover our body and protect ourselves from all type of seasons like summer, heat, summer means heat, rain, wind and the insect bite. Suppose if we will not wear clothes, अगर हम clothes नहीं पहनेंगे, then what will happen? Suppose rain will come outside. Okay, rain is coming outside, then what you will wear? Definitely you will wear raincoats when you will go out, or you will use umbrella when you will go out. Why you are using these two things? Because you want to protect your body from the rain. You want to protect your body from the rain. That's why you are wearing the raincoat or using umbrella. Okay, so and in the summer season especially we all want to protect our body from the heat. जितनी भी गर्मी होती है, गर्म हवाएं जो चलती है, सूरज की रोशनी बहुत तेज होती है, तो we want to protect our body from heat. So we are wearing the cotton clothes. Okay, and we are using the caps or hat and we are covering our face. Okay, and we are wearing the summer coat, white color summer coat we all are wearing to protect ourselves from the heat. Okay, और गर्म हवाएं जो भी चलती हैं उनसे भी अपने आप को बचाने के लिए we are wearing all these things. We are wearing the cap, we are wearing the round वाला hat. Okay, we are covering our face, we are wearing the goggles. Okay, and we are wearing the summer coat to protect our body from what? To protect our body from the heat only. गर्मी से बचाने के लिए पहनते हैं. Okay, and in winter season, definitely when winter season will come, then mama will makes you wear what? Mama will makes you wear the sweater. Okay, different colors, different type of sweaters we all have at our home. So when we want to protect our body from winter, then we all will wear the sweaters, blazers and muffler or scarf. Okay, suppose if we will not wear all these things, suppose in summer season we will go out without wearing the cap, hat or without covering our face, without goggle, we go out. Okay, we don't wear the summer coat, then what will happen? Definitely sunstroke, we will get the sunstroke, we will meet with the sunstroke. अगर गर्मी में हम बिना फेस कवर किए, बिना समर कोट पहने, बिना कैप हैट पहने बाहर जाते हैं तो डेफिनेटली हम बीमार पड़ जाएंगे, लू लग जाएगी, जिसको सनस्ट्रोक भी कहते हैं. डेफिनेटली वी विल फॉल सिक. ओके, सो So clothes protect our body from all seasons like heat, cold, winter, rain and all. Okay, suppose if rain will outside, then or you want to go, then what you will wear? Definitely you will use raincoat. Some are having raincoats. If they don't have raincoat, definitely they will use umbrellas, and some people are having gum boots also. Okay, so this is the attire of the rainy season. And when winter season will come, all the mamas wants to protect their child from the winter, from the cold breeze. Yes, सबकी मम्मी लोग ठंडी हवाओं से आपको बचाने के लिए आपको डिफरेंट स्वेटर्स पहनाती हैं. और इफ़ यू आर कमिंग टू स्कूल देन यू आर हैविंग दी स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म ब्लेजर. यस, सो when we will wear sweater, when we will use gloves, when we will use scarf or muffler in the winter season, definitely we are protecting our body from cold breeze. ठंडी हवाओं से हम अपनी बॉडी को प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं. दैट्स वाई वी ऑल आर वेयरिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो दिस इज द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द chapter number 3. Here we are going to start chapter number 3, clothes, and the name of the chapter is clothes. And in this chapter we will learn about 3 things. We will learn about 3 things. Okay, these 3 things are given in the book. First one is raw material for clothing. First one is raw material for clothing, means you will come to know how you will get the clothes from raw material. Raw means कच्चे माल से आप कपड़ा कैसे बनाते हैं. We will learn all about these. Okay, then diversity in the clothes. Diversity in the clothes means people, those who are living in different states, definitely they are wearing different kinds of clothes. Okay, then third one is caring for clothes. Yes, we have to keep our clothes very nicely. हमें अपने clothes को care करके proper तरीके से रखना चाहिए. And then definitely we will learn about the uniforms. People, those who are doing the special jobs in special fields, they all are wearing the uniforms. Yes, so this is the introduction of the chapter number 3, clothes. Okay, now in our next lecture we will learn more about the clothes. We will learn more about the clothes. So this is enough from my side. When we will meet, then we will learn more about the clothes. I am giving you little homework. Okay, what is your homework? You have to draw the pictures of all types of clothes, or you can paste the chart also. Okay, this and this. I am giving you a little homework before starts the. Yes, this is your homework. Paste the pictures of clothes. Okay, suppose if you don't have the chart of the clothes. Okay, suppose if you don't have the chart of the clothes, so you can draw. In other condition, if you don't have the chart, so if you don't have a chart of cloth, then draw all these then you can draw all these pictures in your EVS note book. Okay, see dear students, we are going to start the chapter number 3, clothes. It means we are going to learn about the clothes, why we are wearing clothes, how we can get the raw material of the clothes. Okay, diversity of the clothes. But before starts the chapter, you have to do this work. You have to paste the pictures of clothes in your notebook, in your notebook. Okay, this is condition number 1. This is condition number 1 and the condition number 2. This is condition number 1 and this is condition number 2. If you don't have a chart of the clothes, if you don't have the chart of the clothes, then what you will do? अगर आपके पास चार्ट नहीं है तो मम्मी पापा को परेशान करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can draw the pictures of the clothes. You can draw. आप ये सारी pictures खुद से भी draw कर सकते हैं because I know very well you all are very good in drawing. Okay, you all are very good in drawing, so you can draw all these pictures in your notebook. But my condition is there, don't take the help of your mama or your elder sister or your elder brother. Do yourself only. आपको सीखना है, आपको पढ़ना है, इसलिए आपको खुद को करना है. Don't take the help of your mama, don't take the help of your elder sisters or elder brothers. जैसा आए आपको खुद से करना है. No issue कि बहुत सुंदर बने नहीं बने, no issue, no problem. But you have to do yourself only. Okay, आपको खुद से करना है. So once again I am giving you this homework. Paste the pictures of the clothes in your notebook, or if you don't have, then if you don't have a chart of clothes, then you can draw the pictures in your EVS notebook. These are the conditions. Okay, so here I am going to over this lecture. Here I am finishing the lecture. We will meet once again in our next lecture. Till that lecture, bye bye, have a nice day, keep study, stay home, stay safe, use mask when you will go out, wash your hands regularly and read the chapter when we will meet in our next lecture. So it's over from my side. Bye bye, have a nice day, goodbye.